You've probably heard this before. Telematics is just too expensive. But let's talk about what really costs you money. Missed maintenance, wasted fuel, safety fines, lawsuits, lost drivers, canceled contracts.
Here's what you need to know. Each of these issues, they happen when decisions are made without data. Because without the facts, you're not really managing your fleet. You're guessing.
What's the cost of not knowing? A fleet is a system. Fuel, time, equipment, people. And every decision you make sets off a chain reaction. A driver idles too long, fuel is wasted. A tire warning is missed,
A breakdown follows.
an unsafe turn.
An accident occurs. And that accident brings legal fees, downtime, and disruption. When you scale up, single problems turn into patterns. Those patterns strain the system. And just like any system, if you can't see where the strain is building,
You won't fix it. You will absorb the cost instead. Motor vehicle crashes cost U.S. employers $60 billion every year.
87% of those crashes are preventable, but the risks weren't seen because the system never surfaced them.
We've walked through the system. We've seen how small inefficiencies, left unchecked, grow into major cost. This isn't about technology. It's about visibility. Because the more you see, the less you waste, the fewer surprises you face, and the more confidently you lead. So, here's the model. A fleet is a system. Without feedback,
It breaks down.
with visibility,
It flows. And what you don't see still costs you. For more insights like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel.